Okay, let's continue with practice test 5 section 2, question 1 to 5. Now the first question 1, is pretty easy. We always know that the question 1 to 15 should be the easy questions here. So from here, what is the value of x? I'm looking for value of x, and it's 5x and 3x. I move the 3x over. That means I minus 3x from the 5x. Minus 3x, you got 2x left. Since I moved the 3x from left to right, then I move the plus 1 to right to left. So the plus 1 become minus 1. 9 minus 1 equal to 8. So x should be equal to 4 in this case. The answer is D. So let's go to the second questions. They're looking for the value of m, but they tell you that each term after the first, let's say I'm looking for 15, is by multiplying the preceding terms. That's mean by m. You multiply the 7 by m, then plus p. So I have 7m plus p must be equal to 15. And after that, I can take 15 times m plus p must be equal to 31, and so on. Since I'm looking for m and I already have 2 variables and 2 equations, so it's enough for me. Now in order to find m, I need to eliminate the p. In order to eliminate p, and notice that the second equation is greater than the first one, so I take the second one minus the first one. 31 minus 15 is 16. P minus p is 0. 15m minus 7m is 8m, so m is equal to 2. Now here they want to ask how many different combination of color and size is possible. You have 3 color and 4 size, so you just take 3 choices times 4 choices, which is equal to 12. Answer is B. So they said that in this case, function of f negative 3 is greater than 3. So obviously when you square a number, any number become positive. The only time when this negative is greater than this, that means you have a number minus the negative, then the number will be bigger. In this case, if both of them are squared, then both of them become positive, then they have the same number. So this is out. 4 is on a straight line, is out. And the power 4, it become positive, so it's out. Here, this is negative, when x is negative 3 and x is 3. So 4 over negative 3 and 4 over 3. 4 over 3 is still larger, so this is our only choices is 4 minus x cubed. Because x cubed, when you cube it, you still get a negative. Negative and negative become positive. So in this case, you cube it is positive, so you actually minus it. So this one should be smaller. F3 will be smaller in this case. So answer is D. Number 5. In this case, if you think about it, it's too long. It's about 6 lines here. Yeah, 6 lines here. So what I want you to do is I'm trying to figure out what kind of question you can, what type of form you can use. It's based on pound and cm. So you're comparing 2 items, comparing the pounds and the cms. And they ask you how many pounds you're looking for x when you want to stretch 20. Then here you have 15 pounds, you can stretch for 8. More pound can stretch more. You don't need to worry about the number at the bottom. So you just need to use your common sense. If you're more pound, heavier, can you stretch longer? So yes, it's direct proportion. When we do direct proportion, you do cross multiply. So which means 8 times x equal to 20 times 15. Both of these can be divided by 4. You have 2 and 5. X equal to 5 times 15, 75, and divided by 2. So you get 37.5. That's the answer, which is E.